Welcome to SmartHub. I'm Brian Kell and this is Chris Centracchio from Ben Lomond Connect, and we're here to talk about Ben Lomond's new online account management tool which offers a wide array of account features. It's called SmartHub. We've already introduced you to how to get into SmartHub, and now, Chris, we're into talking about billing and payments. Take us into SmartHub again.
All right, thank you, Brian. I'm already logged into my account, and this is the main page in SmartHub. I'm going to start with billing and payments at the very top in the navigation bar. If you click on billing and payments, this brings up basically what was just summarized on your very first screen. From here, you can make a payment. You can either pay the total due, or you may actually even specify a different amount if you want to pay a little more or a little less. You have that option now. Once you select that, you can hit Pay Now. And this will take you in to your payment options. I have previously paid one of my bills through this, so it remembered my selection as far as my card or checking account, so I have the option to pay with it without having to put all that information in. If you're a new user, you'll have to put this in the first time. It will give you the option to remember your settings and save this info, so you don't have to enter it every time. But if you're nervous about having websites store that sort of thing, like my wife, you may, of course, just type in your info every time. I'm going to go ahead and back out of this because I'm not ready to pay my bill yet.
For another day, right?
That's right. I want to get some pizza tonight.
There we go.
I'll pay it tomorrow. You may also go and look at your billing history. What this will do, it will show all of your previous bills. If you are paperless, like I am, I do not receive a mailed copy of my bill every month. I get an email notice telling me when my bill is due, and I come here and make my payment. If you want to view what your printed bill would have looked like, you may do that. Click View Details. This will bring up a PDF of your bill for that month. Wow. And scroll down and it'll give you a breakdown of every charge, fee, pay-per-view movies you may have got, that sort of thing. All right there for you to print if you so wish. It also will give you the option to view any inserts that were mailed out that month. If you'll look here on July 25th, 2014, there were inserts mailed in that bill cycle. And it was our 60th anniversary giveaway of Amazon Kindle. See what you miss when you go paperless? Well, if you do get a paper bill in the mail, Brian, like I mentioned, you can opt to go paperless if you so choose.
Yeah, take us through that. How does that work?
To do that, what you can do is click over here on your My Profile, My Information. What this has is basically the info that you put in when you signed up to use this site. You can update your email address, password, billing contact information, security phrases, everything here that you put in you can update. On the very bottom where it says Update My Printed Bill Settings, if you click that, you have the option over here on the far right to either turn on paperless billing, or if you're already paperless like myself, you have the option to turn it off if you want to go back.
So you're not committed to one way or the other at any point. If you want to switch in or out, you can do that.
Switch in or out. You don't have to call the office. You can do all of that right here through the website. Let's go back to billing and payments. We've got a few more options here I'd like to go over.
Yes.
Payment history will give you a breakdown of all the payments you made online. It shows your amount, the date it was posted, and what type of payment you did, whether or not it was a credit card or an e-check or even a savings account. And over here again under billing and payments, we have an auto pay accounts. What this is, for those of us who may travel a lot or we don't like to be reminded every month when our bills due, we can set up an auto pay where it will automatically draft your choice of bank account, credit card, each month at the time designated in here, and you don't have to log in and do all this. If you've previously paid online like I have, it will remember what you used previously.
Good deal.
Like if I want to sign up for auto pay using my existing card, I click that. It will give me basically an agreement that we have to select before we move further. I will hit accept, and from here it will verify my card information or my bank account information. And then after that step, it gives me the date and time it will be drafted each month, and I'm done.
Good deal.
You also have the option, once you are signed up for auto pay, you have the option to turn that off, just like paperless. So if at any time you want to go back to hopping online and checking your account every month, you have the option to do that.
Good deal. We've seen a lot of features with billing and payments here, and there's even more to come on other videos that we have waiting for you. For this video and those other videos that we spoke of, you can be able to access that at benlomandconnect.com. Look in the middle of the page for the Rolling Smart Hub banner, and if there's still more questions involved, Ben Lomand's here for you. You can call our Customer Response Center at 855-800-3002. That's 855-800-3002. Thank you for using SmartHub, provided by Ben Lomand Connect.